Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. So in this video we will discuss more about special type of operators. So in the last session we will discuss about special type of null operator and not null operator. So in this video we will discuss about another three important special type of operator that are all operator, then any operator, then exist operator. First of all we will discuss about special type of all operator. So all operator is a type of special operator which is used to compare a value to all value in another set or subquery. Means here we have to compare a value to all value present in another set or subquery. So what do you mean by subquery? Subquery is a type of query that appears inside the another query statement. So subquery also referred to as subselect or nested selected S means all the select syntax valid for subquery. So the condition returns true if the comparison is true for every value in the result set. For better understanding, we have to take one example so that you have easily understand how all operator performs. So retrieve the employee name whose salary is higher than every employee working in the clerk department. Means here we have to display those employee whose salary is higher than every employee worked in clerical department. So how we write? So we write like this, like select, then ename is attribute name from emp, where emp is a table name, then where is clause, then salary. Salary is attribute name, salary greater than all operator, then select salary from emp where job equal to clerk. Here this is a subquery. This is a subquery that should be appear from the main query. So how it performs, that should be showing practically. For practically we have to open SQL plus. So open SQL plus, run SQL command line, then connect, then username for my device, username is system, then password 1234 in my device, then successfully connected. Now set pages 200, now set lines 200. Now we have to check EMP table is present or not in our database. Select star from EMP. Successfully data showing in the console means successfully data is also stored and available in the database. Now we have to execute our query, that are select star select ename from EMP, then where clause, then salary, then greater than all operator. Now we have to write the subquery like select salary from EMP, then where clause job equal to clerk, then close bracket, then semicolon, then hit enter, missing parenthesis, like select ename from EMP where salary, then all operator, then select salary from EMP, then where, then job. 15 rows are selected means 15 employees are getting salary more than all employee salary of the clerical department. Now we have to discuss another important special type of operator, that are any operator. So any operator is a type of special operator which is used to compare a value to any single value in a set of subquery. Means here we have to compare a value present in a table that should be compared to any single value of a subquery. Here also subquery means a query that should be appear from main query. So the condition returns true if the comparison is true, at least one value in the result set means output set. So for better understanding, we have to take one example so that you can easily understand how any operator performs. So retrieve the employee name whose retrieve the name of the employees whose salary is higher than at least one employee working in the salesman department. Means here we have to display the name of the employee whose salary is higher than at least, not at most, at least one employee working in salesman department. So how we write? So we write like in this way, like select, then attribute name ename from emp, where emp is the employee table name, then where clause, then salary, attribute greater than any is a special type operator, then this is the subquery arranged from main query. It appears from main query. So now we have to practically check the required result is getting or not. For that, we have to open SQL plus. So open SQL plus. Now we have to execute this query. So like select ename from emp, then where clause, then salary greater than any operator, then we have to execute our subquery, that is select salary from emp where job equal to salesman, where job equal to salesman, then close bracket, then semicolon, then hit enter. 16 rows selected means 16 employees are getting salary that higher than at least one employee of the salesman department. Now we have to discuss another important special type of operator, that is exist operator. So exist operator is a type of special operator which is used to check whether a subquery returns any rows. Means here we have to display the subquery is getting any rows or not. If returns true, then subquery returns one or more row. If false, then not. Now we have to take one important example so that you can easily understand how exist operator performs. So retrieve the employee name who are managers of at least one department. Means here we have to display the name of the employee who are manager at least one department. So how we write? So we write like in this way, like select, then ename is the attribute name, then from emp the table name, e alias name, column alias, here means table alias, like then where is the clause, then exist is the special type operator, then subquery start, that is select at least one, so that for that purpose we take one from emp table name, then subquery, then where clause, then subquery dot mgr is equal to e dot emp number, means check which employee number is matched to the subquery employee number. So for practically showing, we have to open SQL plus. So how we write? So we write like this, like select ename from emp e where exist at least one. So write subquery like select one from emp table name, then subquery, then where clause, then subquery dot mgr is equal to heat dot emp number. then close the bracket, then semicolon, then hit enter. 6 rows are selected, means 6 employees who are managers of at least one department. So our theory and practical successfully matched. So we successfully completed our special type of operator. So in the next session, we will discuss about another important operator. So please watch this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.